Durable switch. The upgraded rocker switch has been passed test of 5,000 times pressing, more durable. Easy to turn on or off the light. Superior quality wires. The wire is of good electrical conductivity, outstanding bending performance, high temperature and melting resistance. Circuit protection. Power relay safety protection and conversion circuit. Blade fuse protects the circuit when overcurrent or short circuit occurs. 2 leads HASNESS. With 2 sets of connectors, the wiring harness can hook up 2 LED light bars less than 180 W at the same time. Package include 1x LED light bar wiring harness kit, 1x instruction diagram. Top reviews from the United States. Great harness, must have. This is a must-have for installing off-road LED lights. Makes it so much easier, actually very good quality cable for the low cost. I wouldn't try to do it yourself to save so much time and is much better.